Oh my god.
Over there. Yep, it really is. Landscape is just amazing.
Morning everybody, if you've seen my last video you know that I was here in Xi'an. I went to the Terracotta Warriors, it was amazing, and I just woke up now. Actually I don't know where I am, but the driver is coming to pick me up. He's gonna drop me in the base of a mountain, and if you saw by the title of the video, Deadliest mountain in the world. Man, I am actually now recording this. I only seen pictures of it, and it's gonna be crazy, guys. This is gonna, yeah, it's just, you know, the driver's gonna pick me up, we're gonna have breakfast, he's gonna drop me in the base of the mountain, and we'll pick it up from there, guys. Let's go.
I got some sandwiches and some liquid here that I actually don't know what it is.
Soybean milk.
So this is actually soybean milk, and this is how we talk through the phone, because I don't speak any Chinese and he doesn't speak any English, so you know that's how we go. So let's get to that mountain, guys. We already started, just got off the cable car, and from what I researched on the internet, if you take the cable car you're not gonna do 6,000 steps, but you're gonna do at least 2,000 to 2,500, so it's just the beginning. Yay! Ni hao! Ni hao! So let's go, guys. 20 minutes gone and we start getting to the interesting parts now. Look at this. It really looks like you're on the top of the world, and still a long way to go. The most interesting parts are way up there. Let's go. There we go. East Peak. Done. So the moment we've been waiting for, you'll be waiting 3 hours in the line to get here, and we're getting down there. It's so high.
Oh my god.
This is nuts, guys.
Yeah?
I haven't done something as crazy as this in my whole life. Guys, just look behind me. Alright, now the famous plank wood. It's even scarier to be on the wood. Living life on the edge, huh? It's actually on the edge. Look at this. Alright guys, so we're going back up again, huh? We did the wall, we did the plank, now we're climbing all the way up with one hand, guys, one hand. When my mom sees this video, she'll go nuts. Look at this. All right, time to get back. Over there. Yep, it really is. So right now,
Even strong
if you've been here, just give it a comment below, and if you haven't been here before but you would be courage enough to come here, just make a comment as well.
Come!
Somebody is really scared on the other side. Oh yeah, workout done for today, guys. That's it. That's it, guys. Finished. Woo.
Move a bit.
I'm gonna go to the south peak, which is the tallest point here in the mountain, 2,100 meters. It's around 7,000 feet. So whew, let's get there. It's gonna take like 10-15 minutes, and then from there, just all the way down. We did it. Finally done. Ooh. That's it. There's nothing higher than this. Now it's time to go back down. Let's go. Alright guys, so to give you an update, I'm already in the airport. I was running, actually, literally I was running to get my flight, but I was not on time. I was short for 5 minutes and I missed my flight. You know, first thing I did was book the next flight in the morning, so the next flight will be at 7:05 in the morning. I can relax a bit, but it's getting very difficult, so I'm gonna have something to eat, find something here in the airport to relax, sleep for a bit, and that'll be it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed a lot today. It was amazing. This hiking was very tough. You know, there was a lot of steps. I think in total I did around 6,000 to 7,000 steps going up and down, and I really enjoyed that part when I was walking on the plank and there was the cliff on the side. It was just something I never expected to do in my life, so I'm quite happy for it, and that'll be it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe and put a like on this video, because you guys, this helps a lot, and that's it. I'll see you in my next trip. Gonna eat something.